Good day everyone, I'm Shalofade, a heavy type from CE1X CE24. Right now I'm going to discuss and present to you my miniature. And without further ado, let me show you to the finished product. The process of making my miniature was kind of fussy since I tried to choose between bridge and house and consider the things that I need to consider, but I actually just ended up making a house. The miniature was actually a replica to our house. I did it that way because I wanted to be a gift to my family to the 10th year living anniversary, living our own very own house. And since we are talking about an actual house, I also measured the whole house from its outer and inner measurement and converted the meter into inch to make it more realistic. And these are the process how I make my miniature. First, I created the floor plan to execute the measurement properly. I gathered up all the recycled material and started cutting it with a specific measurement from careful placing the window to placing the wallpaper to eliminate the ugliness. And FYI, the wallpaper are just stuff from my high school days, and I think this is still be considered as recyclable materials. After that, I created the platform base for the miniature and slowly, carefully started to plaster the walls. And finally, the roof. Here, I supposedly to do the roof framing using popsicle stick. Then I realized I don't know how to compute above there, and even their types. I even searched it, but I can't. But I actually made it by doing the chamba, but it's not actually a principle of civil engineering, huh? Then I painted with black and white to catch the overall house theme. And for I think the house is 90% made of recyclable cardboard and 10% for wallpaper. And the total cost of overall project was just 12 pesos for the cartulina. And because of the wallpaper and colored paper was just stuck in my home. So that's it for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned something, and padayon, future engineers. Bye-bye. House. And since we're talking about the actual house, I also messaged the